Cameron Thomas.
Thank you, Chair, and it's an honour to serve under your chairship. I commend my honourable friend for securing this important debate and for the honourable member for his excellent pun earlier on. My home constituency of Tewkesbury is a patchwork of rural towns and villages where public transport is either scarce or entirely absent, and whence cycling is an oft relied upon mode of transport. Safe, managed cycle routes are vital for many of my constituents as a means to connect with our cathedral city of Gloucester to our south, the cultural centre of Cheltenham to our east, and the medieval town of Tewkesbury in our west. Only in these larger population centres can many of my constituents access their hospitals, schools, stores or social clubs. But cycling in our rural communities comes at significant risk. As has already been stated, according to at least one study, cyclists involved in collisions on rural roads are more than twice as likely to suffer mortality than those on urban roads. There are several factors for this, including the time it takes for emergency services to arrive from major hospitals to our rural villages. Another factor seems to be that cycling infrastructure and roads in rural areas are poorly funded or neglected, and rarely are cycling routes apparently considered alongside major highways infrastructure projects. There must be joined-up thinking to such projects to improve the viability of cycling as an environmentally friendly and healthy alternative to driving. The Gloucestershire Cycle Spine is an ambitious plan to link Gloucestershire's major population centres with some of our emerging population centres. The plan had initially been met with significant public support, but several shortcomings with the plan have since been met with outcry. Issues cited by residents in Long Levens include the camber of the cycleway, drawing water away from drainage and flooding their properties with rainwater. In Churchdown, the road has been so narrowed as to accommodate the cycleway that larger vehicles can now barely pass each other in places. A clear opportunity to link a cycleway to our heritage railway was missed. Now, this is not a pitch against such schemes. It is a call to keep the public engaged and to ensure that it is not implemented piecemeal, but as a joined-up infrastructure plan where the so whats are asked and answered ahead of works. I'm disappointed to learn that a shortfall in funding for Gloucestershire County Council by central government could mean a significant drop in the allocation of the Gloucestershire Cycle Spine, and subsequently Bishop's Cleeve and its 14,000 residents will remain cut off from this project. Just like other transport networks, cycling needs to be treated as a vital part of our infrastructure, planned strategically and funded sustainably for the long term. Thank you.